I'm very pleased to say that there seem to be more women in the law now than when I trained. Law firm culture has also changed and there's a lot more flexibility. So I don't really notice more men than women in my firm in particular. However, there are areas of legal work that can be much more office-based and have more regular office hours or suited to working from home. And these areas may be more suited to a balanced family life. So working around family life is an important area to consider when planning your career. Take care to research the vocational commitment you're making, as certain areas of legal work do require high levels of personal commitment, and this is not for everyone. Perhaps this is why men gravitated towards these areas of work in a time when many women were the principal carers in the family. That's not the case now, but do consider how much time you want to commit to your work before you decide to apply for a particular job. When I enrolled at law school in 1989, I was in the first year where there were 50% women in the intake. The women qualifying in that cohort were the ones who are now taking senior roles in law firms, just like me. And in my firm, we have about 50% women partners. When you look at the top 100 law firms, there's a lot more gender diversity than when I started. And there are even quite a few managing partners and women in managerial positions. I believe that as law school intakes have got more than 50% women now, I would think that this will improve over time. And if this continues, there's likely to be more and more equality as time goes by. As a law firm leader, I'm often asked by my friends and acquaintances to speak to young people about a career in law. And I always talk about the breadth of career options, as the UK legal industry is huge and there are thousands of jobs beyond pure solicitor and barrister roles. Larger firms are often great places to learn about legal accountancy, HR and IT, and law firms tend to pay very well for these skills. The larger firms always have interesting know-how projects on the go, and they're often developing AI-powered software applications and using software to automate professional services. These junior roles can be a great stepping stone into the wider market for UK consultancy jobs.